What's everybody? What? Let's try that again. What's up, everybody? It's Sam with Green Hills Guitar Studio. Welcome to the 5-minute lesson. This is, as always, a lesson based on actual questions I get from real life people when I'm teaching guitar lessons here in Nashville, Tennessee. So yeah, what you heard me doing there, I was just goofing a little bit, new boot goofing. But I was using a technique that a student was asking me about. And this is a really common sound. You hear all kinds of folks play it. David Gilmour, Jimmy Herring's really good at this. Steve Lukather, just about everybody in Nashville, I feel like. But it's still worth knowing. The idea is that you fret a note and then bend to that note, usually from a half step below, right? So for example, if I'm playing this E flat, I could just play the E flat note. I think that would be okay. But it'd be a lot cooler if I bent to it from a half step below just after playing it. Aha. See? Here it is again. And then here's with the bend. Really cool, right? It gives you this kind of singing quality. You're essentially doubling the note, but you're bending to it, so you get this really great sound. It gives you more options. I think, for some people that are getting started, they're usually just bending to a new note within their line. But if you start to think of it as doubling a note you've already played or replacing a note that's already been fretted, it frees up a lot of really cool sounds and expressive sounds. The opposite is true as well. You can start with the bend and then add a note into this. That's like a very Steve Lukather sound, right? It's already bent. Really cool idea. That doubling thing is really, really tasty. Whoops, a little sharp there, right? This is all kind of based on the idea that you can get your bends in tune, your half-step bends and full-step bends in tune. So instead of just thinking about bending to a new note, think about it more as a way of doubling that same note, either starting by fretting the note and then quickly bending to that exact same pitch, or vice versa, starting with it bent and then playing and fretting that note. This is really cool. It frees up a lot of cool ideas or creates a lot of cool ideas and stylistic stuff to play around with. If you really want to hear this in action, I would just check out Jimmy Herring. He's really good at this, and he's great at using, his vibrato and his volume pedal to really give all of his lines a singing quality. There's no secret notes or anything. It's just the way that he's articulating these notes that makes it so dang good. All right, so just something to think about. See ya.